Hello, welcome to another video on how to manage your store. In this video we are going to talk about homepage builder module. Okay, the homepage builder module helps you to build your homepage and customize it the way you want. Okay, so here we'll do an introduction to the homepage builder, and in the second video we will talk more on the homepage builder. So let's go to extensions, then click on extension, select modules from the drop down here, then look for Pav homepage builder. Then we can click on the add new button here, and this will bring up a new module form. Status, you click on the enable status, then under module name you enter the name of the module. Say mass bottom, home mass bottom 2. Under module class you can put any class you want here. Then under layout editor, this is where you need to pay more attention. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to add a row in your layout. If you click this button will add a new row to the layout you are creating. So let's add a new row. As you can see, this is our new row in the layout editor. So the next thing is to add a column. You click the add column button here. This will add a column to your row. Okay, and if you click on the enable grid, you can now see that this column is a full width column that spans the whole of the row. Okay, if you count this, you see that this we have 12 columns here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. This makes up the 12 bootstrap column. So you can drag your column, you can drag it along here if you want to make it maybe 6 column width. Okay, you can drag it the way you want. You can check the width of the column. Okay, and you can equally add another column. If you click the add a column button here, this will add another column to your row. Okay, so as you can see, we now have 2 columns here, and the next thing is to check this for other screen sizes. If you click here, you can now see you need to move this to here and this one. Okay, if you check the small devices like tablets view, you can see if you want to make this may want to make it full width under small devices. Okay, so here, okay, and under extra small devices like phone, you make these columns to be full width. Okay, so here we have our columns already here, and you can disable the grid view. Okay, then the next action is to add a widget to the columns we've just created. Okay, if you click on the add a widget button here, this will bring up the OpenCart modules page, where you can now see all the modules that you can add to the column. Okay, here you see different OpenCart modules, you see the banner modules and different banners here. You see the bestseller modules, you see the carousel modules, and the rest of them. Okay, then if you click on the widget tab here, you can see different widgets you can add to the column. For example, if I click on the product list widget here, I can now define the widget name. It's a product list. Okay, what's the widget title? You can say product list, or the widget subtitle, say example of product list. Okay, and any class, I can say panel red here is have different classes to color classes to style your widgets. Okay, and we have different ones. We have a panel red, panel blue 2, panel red 1, 2, panel red 3, and panel green, and panel gold, and panel pink. Okay, and so so on and so forth. Okay, you can see them listed on the screen. Okay, then we go further. What's the icon that you want to the widget to have? You can say FA. Okay, then what's the product limit? How many products you want to show in this block? Say 8. Then column width, say 2. Okay, can say 6 here. Then under width is image width, product image width, and a product image height. You can leave it to 200 by 200. Then product list type. What is the product list you want to show up? I can say latest. Okay, okay, and after I click on the save button here. Okay, then in this other column, you can add another. Let's add product by ID. Okay, here you can select what's the widget name, ID. Okay, okay, what's the okay, here I can see panel green. Okay, then icon, I can see. Okay, then I select the category I want to populate products from. Okay, I want to show products from computers and accessories. Okay, then what's the product limit? Say 8. Then what's the column? Say 2, and the products ordering, I can say date added, new to old. Okay, click on save. Here you can now see we have 2 different columns with 2 different widgets occupying the columns. Okay, you can add another row here by clicking the add row button, then click on add a column and repeat the same. Here you want to make this full width all through. Okay, and here and small screen. Okay, it's already full width. Then here we need to add a widget to this column. Okay, then let's add open cat banner to this particular column. Okay, then after you click on the scroll up and click on the save button here to save our module. Okay, as you can see, we now have a module named home mass bottom 2. Okay, now we need to assign this to a layout. Then we go to design, then layout, then go to home page layout and click the edit button here, and we want to assign this to mass bottom module position. Okay, so we go to path home page builder here and select the home mass bottom 2 module we just created. Okay, then scroll up and click the save button. Then here, if we refresh our page, okay, then scroll down, wow, as you can see, this is our products list block, and this is equally our products by ID block. Okay, and if you scroll down, this is the new row that we added and included the banner module into the column, and you can see the banner showing up here. So this is how to build your layout. And if you minimize this, okay, as you can see, this is now showing full width in a small screen. Okay, as you can see, it's no longer showing in 2 columns, but in a single column. If you expand, as you can see, this is now showing in 2 columns. Okay, so this is how you can create different layouts using the home page builder. Okay, so in the next video we are going to talk about the components of the default home page layout we have before. Okay, so see you in the next video.